Hey, so you last saw us in Japan. We lived there for 3 years. Done with Japan and flying back to the US. And here we are in Virginia Beach. We bought our first house, and it didn't look the way we wanted. We didn't like the brown cabinets, and of course, we didn't like half carpet, half hardwood floor. It didn't make sense to us, so we took our time, and little by little, we tried to change it in a way that we like.
There's other stuff that needs to be done, but this is what we did so far. So we repainted the whole house, and now we have white cabinets. And of course, we have this nice vinyl flooring. We love it. One of the best things about our neighborhood is this beautiful lake with this nice view.
And of course, one of the best things about living in Virginia Beach is the beach. We were enjoying our time in Virginia Beach and exploring it little by little. But out of a sudden, this happened.
Puppies! Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real!
So it started to look like this. We were so bored in the house, and a house bored.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucker.
So we tried to be creative and dance through our boredom. But again, this happened. The kids started to go crazy. So, with the help of Grandma, we decided to buy them some puppies. Westies were the ones that we agreed on, but we couldn't find any in Virginia Beach. After searching for a long time, we found a breeder in Georgia. So Daddy and Grandma traveled 8 hours each way, and we finally got our puppies.
You gave me the letter. I guess it was July. You said we'll be better.
Congratulations, mother.
The moment I saw them, I was very happy.
I should be so lonely when I close my eyes.
They were quite calm and a little scared. But soon after, they started to get friendlier. We made them a temporary place to sleep, which was the second floor bathroom. They really liked it and fell asleep immediately. We named them Basil and Parsley. Yeah, I know, cute names. In the morning, they started to play a little. But Basil, the boy, didn't eat much, while Parsley, the girl, ate all her food. Yes, this is Basil. He didn't eat and he just drank some water. The first time that Ariana met her puppies, she loved them.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Selena, on the other hand, didn't like the licking and scratching a little bit.
I'm gonna go for my feet. Yesterday. Maybe he want milk. That's why they want milk. Because they're white.
But soon enough, she got used to them. Ariana sang them a lullaby as well. That was so cute. They laid down on the couch with the girls and watched TV together.
It's like the
And of course, they bonded with Randy as well. On the second day, Basil started to eat. And they started to be very playful. And I started to feel exhausted. Okay, this is my face 2 days after having puppies. They didn't sleep through the night, and I had to chase them all over the house. That made me feel a little skeptical about having two, but the love that my daughters had for them stopped me. Okay, third day update on the puppies. Well, last night they slept through the night, but still tiring because they still poop and pee on the floor everywhere.
No, it's a cute. That's why.
This is the 5th day of having Basil and Parsley. Well, honestly, I can tell you the only difference is that they sleep through the night, which is good. But potty training is not going well. I'm trying to get them a pen
that at least I can manage to put them there while they have to do their business, because when we take them outside, it seems like they just want to play and they don't do their business, and then once they're home they just poop and piss all over the place. So hopefully it gets better, because it's very tiring. It takes all my energy to just chase them around and put them on these pads and make them go. Let's see. And one other problem that I have is that I'm very, very, very sensitive about like the smell. So I have to, every time they pee, I have to mop all over the place, like all the floors, because I feel like it's like disgusting. So I don't like it. So it's very hard for me to keep like cleaning and mopping and wiping. You know, hope it gets better.
Oh, look at you, Phoebe. Don't worry, it's gonna get better.
Come in.
Yep, they still don't listen to me.
Basil.
First time taking them by the leg. We have to practice putting them on leash that we can take them out one.
Parsley. Hello. Basil. Hi, Basil. Basil. Come here, Basil. Come here.
Yay, we finally bought them the pen and things got better. Well, that was all for now. See you guys soon. And don't forget to subscribe.